Gerardo, coach, video and coach, big win like full victory in the second quarter, or second half, I should say. Is full victory answer.
Yeah, they did well in the first quarter. I think they made 6 out of 9 threes. They got a big lead. We started settling in. Obviously, it's their third game, so they may amuyan sila sa court. Kami, it's our first game, and you know, in those first games, it's not written in stone. It's not 100%. We're in our flow, but I think we did better. We defended better. We moved the ball better. And then in that fourth quarter, when they threw that zone in us, we were patient enough to move the ball around. But again, just some compliments to some of our guys. Marvin, our import Jones played well. CJ was on fire also. New played well. And just overall, everybody that got fielded today was able to contribute.
Coach, can you talk about Marvin Jones coming in this Romero? Kumusta yung adjustment niya over the course of the preparation leading to this opening game?
He was okay. We had one game with him, but pag ganito, hindi mo naman sigurado ng import, right? You really have to see him up close in a game, in a real game. And I thought he handled it pretty well. You know, this is a team converged to me on paper is maybe top 2 in the league, talent-wise. Obviously, they haven't been playing good basketball, but I see them on paper as one of the favorites, right? And that lineup of Balti, Baltazar, Aran, and Kelly is hard. But overall, you know, he's held his own. Shot 63% from the field. He had 50% from threes. I'd like to see him rebound the ball better. He only had 8 rebounds. Sometimes he plays in the perimeter in the 3 too much. So hopefully he can improve that part of his game. He also had 5 turnovers, which has to be improved on.
Coach, about JB Mokon's first game with you, talagang toso sa kanya tingin mo matatagal niya rin sa Meralco.
JV's great. I mean, you saw we were losing that quarter na pinasok siya, instant kagad yung positives natin. He brings a certain type of toughness that I think is bagay dito sa PBA. Can play multiple positions sa amin. Pwede siyang 3, pwede siyang 4. And he just knows how to play basketball. Right? Even in the end, nung set, he hit that big 3. But we have big plans with JV. He's going to be a part of us for a long time. I'm very happy that we were able to get him.
Coach, pag-ituloy naman kay Marvin Jones, can you just tell us yung rationale reason lang behind the switch? Kasi alam naman natin, parang si Ismael yung original choice, but you guys went with another one. Can you just talk to us about yung decision behind that?
Yeah, maybe better to ask management na lang kay Pao. The important thing is, you know, I think maybe Paolo can answer that for you. We got Marvin. He was open. This thing is trial and error for us with Marvin. You know, we've got BCL also coming. I don't know if that's gonna come up. So, so far so good with him, right? Thank you. Kaya na lang, kay Pao.